Mabuhay! So for today's video, pag-uusapan natin ang procedures and requirements on how to apply the LET exam. Okay, so teachers, dun muna tayo sa general procedures. Okay, so the very first thing to do is to create Lyris account here. Ayan po yung link sa taas. So, i-copy nyo lang po yan. Second, log in using your account and complete the online application. Third, set an appointment with your preferred PRC office branch. Ito na yung magsiset ka ng date kung kailan ka available para mag-submit ng mga requirements. Fourth, pay the application fee. So, yung pagbayad po ng ating application fee is through online na po yan. Pwede po siya GCash or bank transfer. Ayan. And then, print the application form with electronic receipt. Napakahalaga po yan. Present your documents to the PRC on your scheduled appointment. So, dahil nakapag-appoint ka po, nakapag-set ka ng appointment date mo, ito na po yung araw na kapag mag-submit ka na ng mga requirements. And of course, the last step sa general procedures natin is of course, obtain your NOA or Notice of Admission. So, yung NOA po is napakahalaga po yan kasi yan po yung dadalhin nyo on the day of your exam. So, wag nyo po yan walain, ingatan at siguraduhin po na secured po siya. And now, teachers, let's talk about the requirements. So, ito yung mostly, na natatanggap ko na questions. Ano po ba yung requirements when it comes to taking the LET exam? So, meron tayong first-timers and sa mga retakers. So, bilang first-timers ka, marami pa ang requirements mo, no? Okay, makinig po ng mabuti. The first one is, of course, transcript of records, original and photocopy with remarks dapat na for board exam purposes only. So, sa pagkuha po natin ng ating transcript of records, di ba, dalawa po yan, is yung isa for board exam. So, yun po yung dadalhin nyo. Second, the PSA, birth certificate, original and photocopy. Government ID, photocopy, yung mga valid IDs nyo dyan. Okay, so wag nyo po yan kalimutan. Printed copy of application form and receipt. So, yung pag-set mo ng online appointment, kailangan po yan. Of course, the passport size picture with name tag. So, sa amin dito sa Iloilo is, sa PRC namin, may taga-picture talaga sila and doon na din kami naglagay ng name tag namin sa kanila. Kasi if ever na magdadala ka, is pauulitin kanila. So, doon talaga. So, depende kasi yan sa lugar na meron kayo, okay? And of course, 900 pesos registration fee and documentary stamp. Sa documentary stamp is iba-iba din naman po kasi sa PRC namin dito sa Iloilo is meron naman sila na pinapa-required kung saan kami bibili. Sa Manila is meron din naman yun. So, be updated na lang. So, para naman po sa mga retakers na mga requirements natin is tatlo lang po yun. So, ito siya. Printed copy of application form and receipt. Of course, bilang retakers, you have to pay pa din ng 900 pesos. Second, original notice of admission from previous exam. So, yung ginamit mo na NOA before, yes, yun yung dadalhin mo pa rin, no? And then, if your NOA is no longer available, bring your TOR photocopy. So, kung hindi available yung NOA niyo, for example, nawala, kung saan nyo nilagay, no? You should bring TOR photocopy lang. So, bilang ikaw ay magti-take ng LET exam, kailangan mo yun paghandaan. Of course, prepare to review. Meron po kaming review group. And of course, wag po natin kalimutan ang mga general procedures and requirements. Thank you! Yan lang. Bye-bye!